Yo, what's up, guys? It's John G. Whadafunk, and this is episode 5 of the Whadafunk Stories vlog. Hope you guys like it so far. I know I keep saying that, but like and subscribe if you guys like it. You know, subscribe. We need 1,000 subscribers. We still need that, but we're getting them day by day. But yeah, so this is week 5. I'm glad we're still rolling with it so far. We got a lot done. I'll show you guys some stuff that we got done so far, what we got coming up this week. Got a bunch of things. If you've seen the last episode, you've seen we got some mannequins and stuff. And we're working on some decals. I'll show you guys what we're doing with that next. And do more drawing. That's the name of the game. So
well, he's gonna wear a beanie on his dome anyway, right? Full body look. It's like fucking LeBron James.
yo, vlog life. What up? The door was actually open. Yeah.
Oh God.
If you put the light on, Grizz, if you put the, I was what I'm saying, if you put the light on and saw this shit.
Look at those.
That's actually a good idea. Take a picture on Photoshop. Take a picture of your phone on Photoshop and go to the Tinder profile.
It's called security cameras. So this is a security camera?
Yeah.
Man, that's crazy. Surveillance.
What's up, guys? So if you've been following along on Instagram, I put a thing on Instagram that I was gonna do a Q&A. So let's do this right now. So first off, we have 619 and 845, and she asked, "What's your favorite hobby, or do you have a general love for rad shit? Love your brand." Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Favorite hobby? I think my favorite hobby is just drawing. I love drawing, and I love riding motorcycles. I think those are like my 2 favorite hobbies right now. And I have a ton of hobbies, but those are my favorites right now. You can do them by yourself. You don't need anybody to do them, and they're also fun to do by yourself and relaxing. We have an anonymous question, so here we are with the anonymous question. Is George still single? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, George is still single. Holla at him. We're gonna do some more content with him soon. Next question. Who is your favorite author? I don't really know. I like I like a lot of different authors. Obviously Tolkien is like Lord of the Rings. You know, those books are great. I love those books. I don't know who my favorite author is though. I like reading a lot of autobiographies and stuff like that. So that's shout out to Resale HQ. All right, question from Humpdizzle 144. So, when will your stuff be in Arkansas Zoomies? I'm not sure. Hopefully the next run we get some stuff in the Arkansas Zoomies. Yo, Zoomies guys, if you're checking this out, Arkansas Zoomies, we'd like to get some stuff in there. Next question. The Sinlib. Shout out to Sinlib. So, what do you think about vintage tees clothing? I really love all the vintage tees and clothing right now. All that going on is really, really cool. I like going to the stores, checking out what they have. It's really cool to check out the old designs and definitely take a lot of inspiration from those too. So I'm always watching all the vintage stuff, and anything I like, I save it. You know, I'll look back at it as a reference. I don't steal any ideas or nothing like that, but I definitely take some inspiration from the vintage tees, and I love all the vintage tee clothing stores. I love going in them. It's awesome. If you're doing that, keep doing your thing. I really respect that. All right, next question. Kathy G, 1997. Shout out to my mom. When are you doing shopping bags? Shopping bags? We might do another run of the tote bags. We have the tote bags right now, the skull ones. We might do another run of those, different style design. We'll see what happens. Thanks, Mom. Chad LaForce. Shout out Chad LaForce on this. How many pop-ups do you do per year? I'd say probably like 20 or 30 per year. A lot of them are in the summertime, so the winter time it's a little bit slower. We do like 2, 3, 4, you know, here and there, whatever. But summertime, it's literally almost every single weekend, out and about, at an event. Sometimes 2 events per weekend. You know, sometimes 3-day long events. It gets crazy in the summer. It's awesome. Love the summertime. Love doing events in the summertime. Camping, hanging out, riding motorcycles with your friends, meeting new people. Pop-ups are like my favorite thing to do because you get to connect with all you guys, and you know, you get to see the clothes in person. You also get to connect and hang out with me and like our friends and stuff, and I just want to keep like growing the community like that. I really like it like that. Let me see what other questions we have. Laura Catalina, shout out to you. All right, biggest challenge when creating a brand. So the biggest challenge when creating a brand is everything. Everything's a challenge. You just gotta learn as you go. The biggest challenge is staying on top of everything and just trying to create nonstop. And the biggest challenge is being busy nonstop. It's just a 24/7 thing, and Whadafunk is always on my mind. I'm always thinking about it 24/7. Even when I'm not working or thinking about it, I'm always thinking about it. So the biggest challenge is just staying on top of everything and having to deal with business things, art things, this things, that things, everything. You have to deal with everything. So that's the hardest part of it, really. This one came from Twitter. So this one's from JOAQAWAY, and they ask, how'd you get into clothing? How'd I get into clothing? This is a good one. So Whadafunk started from, I was into graffiti, so we were taking pictures out and about, and you know, we were in the city walking around. You know, you just check out stores. So we went into a store, and it happened to be a streetwear store, and I was like really blown away by all the things that were in this store because it was everything that I was into. And before this, I never knew there was any type of culture around the things that I was into. I thought I was like the only one pretty much, because you know, that's just how it is when you don't like connect with other people who are doing the same type of things that you're into. So you know, we obviously had our little crew of people who were into certain things, but before that, it was, you know, we were doing our own thing. So then we found a store, went into it. I found all these cool shirts and clothing and stuff, and I was like, this is awesome. And I was already creating art, so I wanted to make something to call my own. And also, you know, I couldn't really afford buying like $40 t-shirts all the time. I would buy them, you know, but then it would just happen. I wanted to make my own stuff. So that's how Whadafunk got started. That's how I started the clothing thing. And that's a really important question. I'm glad that I remembered to throw this in here. So, shout out to you for asking that question. That's a really good question. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this vlog. I appreciate all your support. We need the likes and subscribers. So if you guys see the video, just hit the like button. So that way it shares it to more people. It helps us. And if you want to subscribe, that'd be cool too. I'll subscribe back to all your channels. Just let me know in the comments. Say, yo, subscribe to my channel. And also, I want to do a giveaway on the next vlog. So stay tuned for that. And I'm going to do a really good giveaway for the next vlog. So stay tuned for that. And that's the vlog for this week. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.